I don't think that should have been allowed. Not when there's a possibility, and certainly not just weeks before I take over.
Tinuligsa ni US President-elect Donald Trump sa kanyang unang press conference ang pagpayag ni President Joe Biden na gamitin ng Ukraine ang US-made missile sa loob mismo ng Russia. Ayon kay Trump, agad nitong kakausapin ng mga lider ng dalawang bansa upang matigil ang anyay walang kabuluhang pagpatay sa mga inosenteng sibilyan.
We'll be talking to President Putin, and we'll be talking to the representatives, Zelensky and representatives from Ukraine. We got to stop it. It's carnage.
Isiniwalat naman ng incoming president na ang bansang Turkey ang nasa likod ng pagbagsak ng Assad regime ng Syria.
If you're talking about now that one of the sides has been essentially wiped out, but nobody knows who the other side is, but I do. You know who it is? Turkey. Okay? Turkey's the one behind it. He's a very smart guy. They've wanted it for thousands of years, and he got it. And those people that went in are controlled by Turkey, and that's okay. It's another way to fight. But no, I don't think that I want to have our soldiers killed, but I don't think that will happen now anyway because the one side's been decimated.
Tutol din si Trump na madamay ang US soldiers sa Syria at sa mga nagigiri ang paksyon dito. Ikinatuwa naman ni SoftBank CEO Masayoshi Son ang planong ng incoming US administration na matigil ang mga giyera sa kasalukuyan at naniniwala siyang magagawa ito ni Trump sa kanyang ikalawang termino. Inihayag ito ng CEO ng Japanese financial giant kasabay ng pangako ng $100 bilyong na investments para sa bansa.
I am truly excited to make this happen. And of course, business is important, technology is important. But one more thing I'm really hoping is that this President Trump would make the world, bring the world into peace again. That's my additional hope. And I think he will actually make it happen.
Ayon naman kay Trump, isang patunay ang investment pledge ng SoftBank na magbibigay daan sa pagpasok ng mga bagong teknolohiya gaya ng AI sa US at makagagawa ito ng halos 100 milyong trabaho sa bansa.
This historic investment is a monumental demonstration of confidence in America's future, and it will help ensure that artificial intelligence, emerging technologies, and other industries of tomorrow are built, created, and grown right here in the USA. One of the beautiful things about
Samantala, plano ni Trump na pag-aralang muli ang batas na naglalayong ibenta ang US business ng TikTok kung hindi ay tuluyan itong ibaban sa US. Ayon sa kanya, ang TikTok ang isa sa dahilan kung bakit nito napanalunan ang mga kabataan ng US.
How do you plan to stop the ban on TikTok next month?
we'll take a look at TikTok. You know, I have a warm spot in my heart for TikTok because I won youth by 34 points.
Sonicos, UNTV News and Rescue, USA. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.